Well, we're back from the wedding, which was all the way that way. Up and over that mountain, and we did a whole bunch of these, and then these, and then these, and then we did like a U-E, came back, and then parked right here, and then whatever. Anyways, it was awesome. It was a good time. I got really drunk. Did I get drunk? I was pretty drunk. I was really drunk. So I still have a little bit. I panned a whole bunch of gold there for at the thingy, which didn't give us much anyway. Just what? I'm making a video. They're probably wondering what the hell I'm doing. They're like, "What's he doing?" But I'm making a video. Anyways, we only got a little bit of gold. Not much. We'll show you a close up later. I still have the bottom of that thing finished there, but for now we're cooking burgers for the whole fam jam. Find out what happens. Oh, no, I'm not done yet. Alright, so this next clip, we all decided to get tattoos, right? Me and my sisters. Boom. Roman numeral 4 because we're 4 kids. But the thing is my 2 younger sisters have never got a tattoo before. And this is the first time. And I captured it on video, and it's somewhat funny. How do you feel right now?
I'm freaking out.
What's happening here? Do not move this thing.
Oh! Well,
Stop it. Stop it.
oh!
Stop it.
Like you're getting like kicked by a punching needle.
That's exactly what's happening. It's not even far from the truth because that's exactly. No, that's you.
I can't believe I'm getting a tattoo.
And those machines are a lot smoother than some of the other ones.
Seems really quiet.
Yeah.
It's not even oiled right now. When I grease it, you can't even hear it.
Why are you turning red?
Because I'm laughing. There's some spots where it's not that bad, but then there's spots where it was like,
Just try the armpit. That's
no.
awesome.
Oh my god. Like,
Okay, this one's good.
ah.
Mel, look at me. Move your hand. Come on, Mel. Look at me.
No! Did I fall asleep?
Okay, I'll pull this video. I'm gonna pull this videos and make it off the tracker and
I don't think it's bad. Did you want it thicker than that? Can you do it just a little bit thicker? Yeah. And it's easy to start getting and work your way up get too thick. I gotta work other stuff through this. Oh my god, that hurts so hard. It's just the one spot. The one spot really hurts.
Rhetoric overused.
It doesn't hurt no more. I'm over it.
Mommy and Daddy are taking me and Christine to the airport. Our job is done here in Kamloops. We've conquered, we've helped get people married. It's done. There's nothing left for me to do here. So we're gonna take the big airplane in the sky and we're heading back to Ontario.
Zip.
Keep going. Paul's bad with directions.
Don't be funny.
That's sorry. Take the left here. Made it home. No, I know. We are touchdown in Sunray.
Finally home.
Yay! Alright, I just slaved for like 4.5 hours with James to get this thing stripped up. Mostly the cats and rain, and put some junk behind it, but off to the heavens she goes. Well, my welder's got a brand new whip. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So now we can get back to work on this thing. But first, tomorrow we're going on an adventure. I kind of traded that 70 Chevy cab we took apart from Eve's truck for a Grand Am and some scrap. And I got a 454 that I somehow got to clean out of that, so I got to get all that shit out of the way because I got a 454 over there that I have to load up in my truck tomorrow and bring as well, because I'm getting a jet drive for a boat project. I can't do this yet. I can't get you guys going. Okay, anyways, I'm doing that tomorrow. This project we cannot talk about. Maybe some other time. Jet drive. Boat. V8. Twin turbo. It's not gonna happen this year. It's not gonna happen this year at all. So anyways, yeah. Tomorrow adventure. Okay. I just got back from BC. The video I'm gonna post. Look, the fan's turning on the motor. It's hilarious.
Okay, we're recording now?
Yeah, we're recording.
Okay.
So this is real redneck. We're towing this car out with my truck with a tow strap, a ratchet strap, with a trailer behind my truck. The things I do for scrap.
Well, the thing is, he's making big money on it. I mean, you all know that. And the kid that hooked the...
Hook that back up.
Okay, I don't know who hooked it up, but maybe you should climb back under there and do it right. Hang on, Mr. Redneck himself is coming out. He's going down, he's going down.
That's what she said.
She said he wasn't good at it, but he's going down.
We're not from here. Damn it! Who has longer arms? You.
That's what she said. We got the young fella in the car. He's a redneck from Manitoulin, working with a redneck from, I don't know where he's from, but he's from somewhere. Okay, we're going to try this again. The redneck pull. As you can see, the front wheels, you got the clutch in? Try pushing the clutch in.
Hey, if that's not moving, we're not getting that on the trailer.
Is the clutch in?
Now.
Well, hang on, we'll beat it while you're pulling. Grab a hammer. There, it's moving now.
There you go. There we go. Alright, we got the cab off. Got the motor out.
Yeah.
We're all loaded up.
You're all loaded up. Want another pop before you go?
Yes, please. I think I'm dying. What was supposed to turn out to be a shitty day is going to be a good day. So, the Grand Am I got yesterday. Well, go to bring it to the scrapyard today, and they're fucking closed. So I have a shit fit, like by myself, you know, panicking because it's Saturday. They'll only be open Tuesday. So we have this Gearheads page on Facebook for the locals, and I usually post stuff on there when I'm scrapping something or whatever, but this guy comments right away, he's like, I'll buy the whole car, you know. So I posted on there, he'll buy the whole car, and now we just gotta switch the wheels, because I got good winter tires, and there's good winter tires in the car. That's why I got it. So we're gonna put these those Grand Am GT wheels on it, and we should be good to go. Alright, let's get some work done. Yo, what up? How's it going, guys? In the shop today, working on the Camaro. You're like, oh my god, it's actually happening. Yeah, it's happening, just for now. Of course, I got no light. I don't feel like going through the system, but I'm doing the shock mounts right now. See those cleaned up, grinded spots up there? Oh, come on, camera. Don't fuck me around. Right there, and right there, yeah. Those spots on the diff are cleaned up. I got my shock tower mounts done, top, and I bought the ones that are made for the diff. So we're gonna tack that in because I need this car off the ground. I need on the ground, outside, because I gotta do, oh my god, I gotta do head gasket on a Chevy Optra. I'm stupid. Alright, so we're under the car, and we got the shock mounts all done. Good to go. So now they're actually straight. They're not crooked on a friggin' angle. Freak. Okay, so enough about that. I'm waiting for a guy to show up to take a look at these two Chevy doors that I have. I have some these old Chevy doors that I picked up from the last scrap run. There is no rust, there's no Bondo, there's a couple dings and dents as you can see there as I move in the sun, but I mean fuck, you won't find anything that looks like that anywhere around here. I'm surprised I actually have these. Anyways, so we got the truck and trailer ready to go. I'm just waiting on this guy, and we're gonna go back to Espo, pick up another Cavalier for pretty cheap off the other guy I worked with. So yeah, I'm gonna wait on this guy and then we're gonna head out. Hey guys, what's up? So I forgot that I was making a video. I picked up this guy. So we got the Cavalier in the back. I'll show you when I get home, because I'm stupid and I forgot. I tried to do burnout and it's gutless, so it's good for parts. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. It's got some pretty good clear headlights, rusty fender. We got a donut. Apparently the head gasket's blown. The doors are pretty solid. A little bit of color there, but they're actually really solid. How are these tires? A little bit of life. Back bumper's nice. Tail lights. Trunk. This one's a little more worn than the other one. Oh, the doors are all good. Let's go looking for surprises. I love surprises. What the hell? Surprises. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's your answer. Oh, look. Got a sweater. Watch out. Some glasses. Awesome. Oh shit. Muscle and fitness. Watch out. Somebody lost some oil. That's all fucking oil. What the hell is going on over here? That's fucked up. Okay. Let's look under the back seat. What do we got? Oh, we got marbles. 10 cents. Come on, give me $1. Give me $1 somewhere, that'd be nice. Marbles. Marbles. Fuck. No money. No good amount of money. But as I see here, we have a brand new oil filter. So nothing. Oil filter, that'll be good for the sister's car. It runs too, but it runs like a bag. I wonder how much fuel is in it. Oh yeah, I got a radio. One of them crank radios. All pack of gum. Max CD. We got Skrillex. And you know what? You got time for that. Let's see how much gas there is. Quarter tank. Right on. Come on. Fuck's sakes. Stupid camera. No good stuff. Fucking Steve. Fucking Steve didn't believe me in good stuff. Alright. We're gonna leave her here for tonight. Tomorrow I am loading that other Durango. I'm gonna get off here without dying. I don't think it's possible. Okay, good, I'm not dead. Yeah, tomorrow I'll bring in a Durango. Gotta put the cats off. I'm not gonna get much for that, there's no motor in it. Probably put some scrap in it, but I gotta fix this car next. It's an Optra 01, head gasket's gone. Chicky Poo can't afford another car, so I'll help her out a little bit. See what happens.